So this project is very dear to me and I'm quite excited to show you how I made it. Hey guys, this is Sean from beading.com, teaching you how to make your bead project in a certain style, with a signature style, while you make your clients happy. So in this project I'm going to show you how to make this spiky project. I call it lemon spikes, but I'm actually going to show you how to make this one in a brown color. So there are 3 steps involved. The first step is getting your materials. Well, we'll get to that shortly. Then the second step is making your beaded ball. I'm sure you are quite familiar with beaded ball project. There are lots of beaded ball tutorials on the net. So if you know how to make that will make it even easier. But I'm going to show you how to make it in this project too. Now the third step, which is the most important one, is embellishing your project. That is adding your spiky element to your beaded ball. So let's dig in already. Here are the beads I'm going to use to illustrate how to make it. I have my size 2 yellow seed, I have my size 6 or 6mm brown, and I have size 12, 2 pieces of size 12 needles, and my 0.30mm fishing line. So attach the needles to each end of the thread and you're ready to. So you can make your beaded ball with 1 needle. I'm going to use a 2 needle today for this illustration. So go ahead, pick up 5 seeds. This is the base. Now cross with this with the other needle, pick the 2 needles together and pull. You just made a circle, and this circle, I call it a circle of 5. Pick one alternating, pick one 6mm, pick another one. You're going to pick this one 3 times. So as you get here, on this other thread, pass through the last 6mm that you picked, and here you just made a circle of 6. As you can see, if you count it, you notice that it alternates and there are 6 beads on that alternate. See that is closest to, pass through it, pass into. Now you have passed into it. Then on this other thread that is away from this circle of 5, use it to pick up your new seed. Now you're still going to make another circle of 6. Here, pick up 1 seed, 6mm. This is your first alternate, and this is your second alternate. So here you have 4. Now pull it down, and on the other end of the thread, pick it up, use the other needle to cross through the last bead you picked up, your next circle of 6. So continue on the thread. Let me position it this way. On the thread closest to the seeds on the circle of 5, pass through it. As you pass through, you leave this one. Then on this other thread, pick up 4 pieces, and you know it's an alternate, a seed, another 6mm, a seed, and another 6mm. So you have 4 here, and you pull. So you just need to cross it over with the seed, with the thread on the other, with the needle on the other thread. This is how you're going to make it until you complete this circle. Now for the next row, you notice this is the first row, this is the second row. We are going to the third row now. For the third row, pass through. You notice these 2 stacks of beads seeds on one side, so you're going to make a circle of 5. That's an indication of the next bead you're going to make, the next circle you're going to make is a circle of 5. So as you pass through it, on the other thread you pick up 3 seeds to complete 5. Here are the 3 seeds. Now use the other thread to cross through the last seed that you picked amongst the 3 seeds. Now you just made your new circle of 5. Then you notice your thread, one thread is closest to the next bead there, and the other thread is away from it. So you pass the needle that is closest to the next bead through that bead, and here you have it. Now on this bead you need to make a circle of 6. Once your thread passes through a 6mm or a bigger bead, you know that you're going to make a circle of 6. But once it passes through stacks of seeds, you know that you're going to make a circle of 5. So here you now pick, your thread is actually exiting 2 beads already, so you're going to pick 4 beads. Here you've made your new circle of 6. As you notice that your seeds stacked together, they've increased to 3. So you just need to add 2 seeds to it. Now pass through this one. So you've made a circle. So follow along, you understand the next thing to do, and till you complete that step. You notice here I've completed this step. Now you notice where your threads are exiting. This one is exiting downwards and this one is exiting upwards. You need to join, pass through to, as you can see, you pass through.